First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer data from iPhone to a USB, link your USB drive to your computer, then run the software. Connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. Tap Trust on your iPhone, then click Continue to go on. Data on your iPhone will be displayed on the interface. To transfer data like photos, click Photos, Photos, and Albums from the left side. Then you will preview and check all the photos on your iPhone. Tick off the photos you want to transfer, click the Export option, select the linked USB drive, then click OK to begin transferring data. All the chosen photos will be transferred to your USB drive. Once finished, go to My Computer to find your USB drive and open it to view the saved data.